Hello students, in today's video we are going to discuss about the long horizontal bar at the bottom of your computer screen, and this bar is known as the taskbar. In Windows 10, this taskbar is divided into 6 parts. The start button at the extreme bottom left corner, then the search box, the task view area, the pinned programs and file explorer, the notification area, and this show desktop button. This is the start button. It appears at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When you click on this button, a list of options or programs appear. The start menu shows a list of options to perform various tasks on the computer. We can also start a program, search a program, or shut down the computer using this start button. The shortcut to get this start button is the Windows key present on your keyboard. On pressing the Windows key, the start button opens. To the right of the start button, this box is called the search box. You are quite familiar with the Google search box or the YouTube search box. This box in computer is used to find anything on the computer or the internet. Any application, file or folder that is stored in the computer's memory can be searched in this search box. This is the task view area to the right of the search bar. This helps the user to view the open windows. All the windows that the user is working on will be viewed under this task view button, and we can easily switch between the open windows or close them. You might have experienced this in the Android phone that you are using. Then to the right of this task view, there are a few pinned programs and file explorer. The programs that we pin, that we need, that we commonly use are shown in the pinned program area in the taskbar. The icons of open applications are also seen here, and the taskbar provides a shortcut to view and open any pinned application. The notification area is present at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. It displays the date and time. It also displays some system messages like the computer is connected to the internet or not, the amount of charge or battery left in a laptop. This type of messages are displayed in this notification area. The show desktop button is present at the end of the notification area. At the right end of this notification area, we can see this show desktop button. It is a very thin and vertical line. When the pointer is taken to this show desktop button, all the open windows get minimized and it displays the desktop. So this is the use of this show desktop button. Anytime, anywhere, on any window, if we need to view the desktop, we can take the pointer to this show desktop button. That means to the extreme right end of the taskbar, and we will view the desktop. Windows 10 also facilitates moving and locking of the taskbar and changing the date and time. In our next video, we will learn about how to change the position of the taskbar and how to change the date and time displayed on the notification area. Till then, stay healthy, students.